Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Good morning, friends. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. My name is Miss Erika. What's your name? Hello! Do you know what today is? Yes, it's Fun Friday. Did you bring your dance moves? Did you bring your dance moves? Fun Friday. Fun Friday. Hey, 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 hey. Fun Friday. Dance moves can break out any time. Hey, dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break. Hey, good morning. And how are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy today? Are you feeling sad today? Are you feeling silly today? Are you feeling sleepy today? Are you feeling mad today? Or are you feeling cool today? How are you feeling on this Fun Friday? Oh yeah? You're feeling excited on Fun Friday? Okay, cool. Well, I'm so happy to see you. I'm so glad you decided to join me for Fun Friday. And before we turn around to our learning board, let's make sure our listening ears are on, because we need to hear when it's time for a dance break. Let's make sure we got our seeing eyes on. Seeing eyes on. Now, the more that we learn. The more that we learn, the smarter we will be. Learning letters and numbers and colors and feelings. The more that we learn, the smarter we will be. Let's turn around to our learning board. It is the month of, what month is it? Yes, September. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Oh, these are the months of the year. Fill them with cheer and with love. The months of the year. Good job. Now let's move on to our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And Saturday's the end. Days of the week. 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 Good job. And yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow's going to be Saturday. So what's today? Yes, Friday. It's Fun Friday. It's Fun Friday. It's Fun Friday. It's Fun Friday. Yes, today is Fun Friday all day long. Yes. Now, what about our color of the week? What color have we been talking about all week long? Yes, brown. It's brown. And what have you been bringing in this week that's brown? Have you been bringing anything with you this week? I've been bringing in my brown twig. Letter Y, it looks like. And I've been bringing in my giraffe with the brown speckles that's so soft and snuggly. And I've also been writing with my brown marker when I've been writing our words, or chalk on our chalkboard. Anything around you that is brown? Let's take a look. Brown. Where are you? Brown. Where are you? Did you find anything brown? Okay, cool. Now, what about our number of the week? What number have we been talking about all week long? All week long. Yes, 14. Can you try to trace the number 14? Good. And let's count from 1 to 14. We're gonna clap every time we say a number. We're gonna clap our hands, okay? Then right after that, we're gonna count from 14 down to 1, then blast off, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job. Now 14 to blast off. Are you ready? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job, guys. Wow. You're always so good at that, so I have to give you a round of applause this way. And the other way. Good counting. Now we're ready to move on to our letter of the week. What letter have we been talking about? Dance break. All week long. Yes, the letter K. And remember, we've been bringing our keys. We use keys for a lot of things. And our kettle. Kettles are very hot. So if you have a kettle at home on the stove, do not touch unless you have your parents' permission. A kettle. Now let's make the letter K in sign language. Remember, these 2 fingers down and then our thumb, instead of that going over the top, it's gonna go right in the middle of the peace sign. That's the letter K. Good job. Wow, we did our whole board and now we're ready for our words. Remember, the word that we learned this week is k-at. 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 The C says k. The A says at. The T says t. And the word says cat. K-at. The C says k. The A says ah. The T says t. And the word says cat. Cat. I can see your cat by the car at the store. And I see your cat. Those are our sentences. And then these are our words from the previous weeks. At, can, and car. At, can, and car. Good, guys. And since it's Fun Friday, that means we get to sing not 1 song, but 2 songs. So let me get my bubbles out. There was a little froggy. His name was Tiny Tim. We put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap. And now he's lying sick in bed with a bubble in his throat. Bubble, 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 bubble. Good job. Did you catch any bubbles? Okay, now we're ready for our second song. And I got a special request for the jump up and down song with the colors. Did you guys like that song? Okay, well, we're gonna sing it today. If I call your color, you're going to jump up and down. So I'm gonna give you an example. When I say yellow, yellow, Miss Erika has on white and yellow, but I have on some yellow, so I can jump up and down. And maybe you can jump up and down more than one time if you have on more than one color that I call out. So I may say yellow, yellow, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Yellow, yellow, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. Okay, so when I call your color, you're gonna jump up and down, and then you're gonna sit back down. Are you ready? Blue, blue, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Blue, blue, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. White, white, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. White, white, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. Green, green, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Green, green, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. Pink, pink, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Pink, pink, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. Orange, orange, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Orange, orange, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. Purple, purple, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Purple, purple, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. Red, red, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Red, red, jump up and down. Now please sit back down. Last one. Everybody, everybody, jump up and down, turn all around, jump up and down. Everybody, everybody, jump up and down. Now please sit back down, because it's Fun Friday. Friday, because it's Fun Friday. Friday. I had a ball with you today, and I hope you have a great weekend. But before we go, let's sing our song about how happy we are when we're together. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Where my friends are your friends, and your friends are my friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. I can't wait to see you next week. I hope you have a great time and a great weekend with your families. Until then,